Welcome to this tutorial that walks you through how to file and pay the Fairfax County food and beverage tax. If you have not registered for the food and beverage tax, the filing system will prompt you to complete a registration before you can file. To get started, navigate to the food and beverage tax login, then review the disclaimer statement. Click I accept in order to proceed. Then select the option, Yes, I have an existing Fairfax County business account to file and pay. Now enter your business account number. Then enter the Federal Employer Identification Number or Social Security number if your business does not have a Federal Employer Identification Number. Click Submit to continue. Once logged in, you will see your account information. Click File and Pay Food and Beverage Tax to continue. Next, you'll see the account dashboard. You can see your account information at the top of the page. On the left, you will see your current filing periods and the status of each return. Find the month you need to file for and click the File Now button. Now enter your food and beverage receipts for the selected month. Then, for the non-taxable receipts field, select Yes or No. The total taxable receipts and taxes due fields will auto-calculate. If you are eligible for the seller's discount for filing and paying on time, it will be automatically applied. If you are filing after the deadline, a late penalty and interest may be applied to your total. When ready, click Continue. Verify the information under the Details section to make sure everything is correct. Then, check the box to certify that the information is accurate. Next, enter the submitter's contact information, including their name, email, phone number, and title. When ready, click Submit. You will receive a confirmation message along with a filing number for your records. Ensure you save a copy of your filing by clicking Print to PDF. Then, select your payment method. To continue to online payment, click Pay Online. Next, select your preferred payment method of either bank account or credit card from the drop-down menu. Please note, credit and debit card payments are processed by a third-party company, which charges a non-refundable 2.35% service fee. No payment processing fee is charged for payments made directly from a bank account via electronic funds transfer. Click Next to continue. You can view your transaction details and summary at the top of the page. Then, scroll to the payment section. Select the box if the payment is being funded specifically by a foreign source. If not, select Next to continue to the Customer Information section. Enter your full name, company name, address including the city, state, and zip code, phone number, and email. Confirm your email by entering it again in the following field. Click Next to continue to the Payment Information section. Next, enter the name on the account. Then, select the box if you are using a business account. Enter the routing number and account number. Ensure you re-enter your account number in the following field. Select that the account is checking or savings. Click Next to continue. Review the information. Click the blue Edit buttons to make any changes. Review the terms and conditions. Select the box to authorize a transaction. When ready, click Submit Payment. Once your payment goes through, you'll see a receipt with your confirmation number, payment date, and the total paid. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide to filing and paying the Fairfax County food and beverage tax. For more information, visit the Fairfax County Tax Administration website or reach out to our office at the contact information listed here.